In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Facebook notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Actually, guys, there are two different places where we can configure notifications for the Facebook app. The first place is our iPhone settings, and the second one is notification settings at their Facebook app. And let's start with the first one. So now we need to go to our iPhone settings. And then I just recommend you to swipe down to show up the search box. Then just search for Facebook here. That's how we can easily find it. And once we are at the Facebook settings, we need to tap right here at notifications. Now guys, first things first, we can easily turn off all their notifications from Facebook app by turning off this feature. However, if it is enabled, we can configure it a bit right from here. Let's say we can activate or deactivate I am sensitive notifications by turning on or off that button. Also, we can choose where exactly we would like to get notifications from Facebook app. We can activate or deactivate notifications on the lock screen and the notification center. And also, we can activate or deactivate banners here. There we can change banner style from temporary to persistent. Also here, we can turn on or off sounds for Facebook app notifications, and also we can activate or deactivate badges, which is red dot on the Facebook app icon. That indicates us that we have some notifications, maybe unread messages on Facebook app. Also here, if you would like to kind of figure Facebook app notifications, more specifically, you can add the very bottom top at Facebook notifications settings, and then you will be taken directly to the Facebook app notifications settings, where we can also kind of figure it. At the very top you'll find mute push notifications. Now it is set to off, however. If you tap right here to activate it, you'll be able to mute all that notifications from Facebook app for a particular period of time. Let's say I would like to mute all that notifications for 15 minutes. I can just stop at 15 minutes here. It says that notifications will be muted for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this feature will automatically be turned off. And also down below here, we can kind of figure which types of events you would like to get notifications about. Let's say I don't want to get notifications about people's birthdays. I can talk at their days here, and that's where we can easily turn on or someone's birthday notifications on Facebook app. If this feature turned off, like in my case, you won't get any birthday notifications on Facebook. And when this feature turned on, you will get a birthday notifications on Facebook app. The same about another types of notifications. Here we can configure each of them. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.